Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your preferred address on the Sam's Club app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your preferred address. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Sam's Club app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, scroll down and then click on Address Book. Then on this page here, go ahead and click on Edit next to where you want to go ahead and change your preferred address. So obviously we have some blurred information here, but here, just go ahead and click on the checkbox where it says make this your preferred address and then click on Save. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your preferred address on the Sam's Club app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.